Hello guys, good morning. I'm here now at the farm guys, and I was walking for almost 20 minutes I guess, and my stomach is really hungry, like it's wobbling, so I need to take a bite, just a snack, because I have to climb uphill. So I just have to put my bag down. Okay, and let's look what we have here, because it's really hungry guys, still hungry. So gladly I have this egg, it's a boiled egg. So we're going to take a bite, because I have to walk 20 minutes more going to rubber farm. Sa Bisaya pa, bangil-bangil lang ni. What we call this? Just a bite. Okay. Okay. I'm really starving guys. I still have another one, but this is when I get into the farm. So that is the life guys. A life guys. I forgot to drink water. And we're good to go. Let's go guys. See? So guys, I'm here in the middle of nowhere, in the under the forest. Look, see? So wish me luck. And finally the sun comes out, and look at that fog. See? Did you see it? So beautiful guys. So that's our view, the mountain behind me. It's so good.